How about that?
Hi everyone! I'm Sofia and I'm to my channel! She's Tamale. And yeah, today we are gonna do... You say it.
Different textures slime box challenge. How to make them?
So, make sure... Actually, pink card for me. Card
Oh,
for her.
me.
So, make sure you like, and subscribe. So, let's get started.
These are our boxes. And Sophia's gonna do a Snow Fizz slime.
As you can see.
And I'm gonna do Bingsu Bead.
Look, guys.
So let's get started. We have...
Instructions.
Oh, by the way, everything has been bought through this person.
Hurry up, girl. Decoration. Spinner.
And we have instructions on how to make them.
borax.
First of all, the ingredients. 1 bottle of school glue. A container to make the slime. A spoon. Borax. 3 fans added. And in my case, ginger beans. And for here, the difference is the Snow Fizz. Yeah.
First of all, Snow Fizz, right?
So, the first step is to add the glue in the
All of it?
container. Yes, my love. No. Wait. No, okay, she wanted... No, use this.
Why not it like a line? Because it's slow.
Takes more time. Now, we're gonna use the borax with warm water. If I can open it. And Sophia, you say you wanted to mix it.
Yep, I will.
Okay, give me that.
Clear water.
Clear water.
Yep, for us too.
Good job. Now use your spoon in there. We're gonna put it a little bit.
No, with the spoon.
Huh? Sure, you do it that way. I won't.
Yeah, you do something. You put a lot up to here. And it's just kind of sticky.
It's perfect. I'm ready.
That was nice.
I'm ready. Ready. Oh, yeah. I need to put instructions. Blah, blah, blah. Once the slime is to your desired texture, add your stuff. Okay, I'm ready. Do you need...
No.
Wait, but the thing
No.
is...
I know.
No, look at this part.
I know.
Can you let me help you then? Anyhow. Mine is done. I'm just waiting on here. As you can see, mine is perfect. Just very little.
Wait. It's just a little.
So slow. And stop. Stop criticizing my swirls. I know I don't want to spur on this. I don't really care. Okay?
What is it? You subscribe. What is it? Is that a...
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
What was that?
You see Production's face, you will laugh like that.
What was that? You know what was that, Titilu? That was like a snake. That was like a snake. What is that? What is that?
I'm waiting on you.
Oh, the whole thing? Definitely need it for a long week. Another day.
If you see Production's face, you will laugh. Mine is finished.
Here's not. Cutie! You see so cute.
Mine's cuter.
Let's
Next
go.
round.
Next round, number 2. And I'm gonna use. Okay.
Anyhow, she's doing a sugar blush,
Look
sugar
here, look.
scrub slime, and doing a foam bead, micro, something slime. So yay! Let's start.
You're using pink! You're using pink!
Can we change?
No.
This is so boring.
Ha 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 na na boo boo. Are you crazy? Now my turn. Put this one because I'm sturdy, so yeah. I'm gonna add these. Oh, wait. Oh my god. Wait, poquito a poquito. I just did a big mess. You see what happens?
Truly a big mess. You drop it in
See?
my line.
You see, poquito a poquito. Look. Masih kenceng. Ako. Crunch it!
Don't do that.
Give me your slime. Give me your slime.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay. Okay, good. No, it doesn't work with me. Okay, it doesn't work.
You can do this. Like right there. Suave.
Anyway, vamos a añadir las decorations.
Did she just do a decoration or do a crunch So
I think that Lali won the second round and you won the first round.
Haha.
You both tied. There's really no difference here. And the winner gets this mystery box. And the winner is both of you win. So you have to share the box.
Okay, let's go for it. Right now, in the middle. Let me go first.
Wait.
Wow, can we? Oh my god.
Go, face. That's the one you picked?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it? That's it, we can't pick anymore. Look, is it like a unicorn? Unless it listens. Unicorn. What do you want to pick? Okay, you're too slow. I'm going to pick this one.
Well, I'm choosing.
This glue. This cup.
No, that's mine.
Ah!
That's mine. You have two. You have two. These two are mine. Oh, bobo buns.
Let's pick more things.
Buns.
Let's see. These. I have the best. These. These. I have more.
Let me see. It says, "Hi Sophia. This is a mystery box. It's themed with unicorns because I know you love them." Let me see. It says, "Be delighted." Yeah, she truly is delighted.
So until the end of the video, so make sure you like and subscribe. So bye. Pink hearts for me and blue hearts for her.
Bye. Sophia's favorite. Sophia, do you like that?
Yeah. I'm using this right now.